gonna show you how to make the vegan macaroni and cheese. Lord, it's nice. You're gonna love it. You want to see how I make it? Continue watching, no man.
Why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days and when him feed you. You know when no obligation but to owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him what you forget. Turn your back on your brother when him need you.
Now, make we jump right into the recipe. Cause we're in a lay thing in this kitchen now. A vegan recipe we are cook today and it may I say. Now I'm gonna talk about the ingredients. Now I'm gonna have 2 cups of macaroni in that container. 2 cups, right? We're gonna use my cornstarch for that. You're gonna need what we're gonna need? Almond milk. We're gonna use my vegan butter right here. Earth Balance. Now right here is my vegan cheese. Now the one that I made at home. This is homemade. I'm going to put the link down below so you can follow and see how I make that cheese there. Otherwise you can grab yourself some vegan cheese from the shelf, but homemade I do it right now. Fast, easy and simple. Now, if you want to eat vegan food and give it flavor, you have to follow my steps. If you follow your steps and it come out flat, don't blame me. What I'm going to add to this, of course, is black pepper. I'm going to use Jamaican all-purpose seasoning, and the one that I'm using is the Grace brand. Now, I'm going to put some onion powder to it, paprika, of course. I'm going to add some salt. So the pasta, you need to do that. And we're going to add some dry parsley. Fresh parsley, if you have that, you're good to go. Now, let's get started. Now, I'm going to have my water boiling over there, so I'm going to go ahead and add the 2 cups of macaroni in that. Add some salt and some oil. Extra virgin olive oil I love to use when I'm doing pasta like this. Mix it up a little bit, give it 7 minutes to cook on stove top, 7 to 10 minutes, and then you take it off the heat. Now, in my frying pan, I have about 3 tablespoons of vegan butter, right? So, and you allow it to melt real good. Then you add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to that, and combine that together. Like so. Don't burn it up enough, and you're not trouble if you do. Then you add 2 cups of almond milk. Now you want to add your onion powder, Jamaican all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, and parsley. Now, don't add no more salt because remember you add salt already to your pasta. That is thickening up really nice. Now, I'm going to go ahead and add my cheese in. And this is your homemade cheese. Now, you want to add your paprika. Starts to bubble and it is thickened up really good, so we like it. We're gonna go ahead and add that pasta in. Mix that up in there. Just about that. How about that? Vegan life to get better than this, you know? Vegan life to get better than this, me say. Then after all of that, pour out everything in a baking tray like that. Then me sprinkle some more paprika on top of that. Add some more parsley on top of that too. Like what? Put that in the preheated oven, 375. Bake for 45 minutes and then come back right as so. See you in a few minutes. that, yeah. Look on that. OMG to the G to the. Watch out. Watch it. Watch out. Whoa, no. Creamy. If you are not already subscribed, make sure you do so. Turn on your notification settings so you won't miss the next upload. Alright, goodie? Thumbs up, share with friends and family. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.